Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Windows 11 computer is connected to an Ethernet cable but has no internet access, you are likely dealing with corrupted network drivers or a broken IP configuration. I will show you exactly how to reset your network stack and restore your hardwired connection right now. Let's get started. First, the built-in Windows Network Reset utility will cleanly reinstall all of your physical adapters. Open your Windows settings, select Network and Internet on the left, and click Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down under the More Settings section and click on the Network Reset option. Click the Reset Now button, confirm by selecting Yes, and allow your computer to restart. Next, flushing your DNS cache and resetting the underlying sockets resolves invisible routing errors. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type NETSH space Winsock space Reset and press Enter to completely clear your Windows socket catalog. Type NETSH space INT space IP space Reset and then ipconfig space /flush DNS, pressing Enter after each command to refresh your IP state. Finally, your specific network controller driver may be corrupted and failing to communicate with the router. Right-click your Start button to open the Power User menu and select Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters category, right-click your specific Ethernet controller and select Uninstall Device. Restart your computer immediately so Windows can automatically detect the hardware and install a fresh driver. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.